how to update TikTok on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the source icon at the bottom, then tap on the source bar. Type TikTok and search for it. If the update button is available for TikTok, it means you can update the app to access the latest features. However, if you are using the latest version, you will see the open button instead. To update TikTok, simply tap the update button. Then, TikTok will start updating on your device. Please note that the installation may take some time depending on the update size and your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the update is complete, you will see the open button. Simply tap on it to launch the updated app, and boom, you have successfully updated your TikTok app. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.